Page 15, Stratosphere Man. In this piece, they're using a whole tone scale. I don't really teach a whole tone scale. It's not like the major and minor scales of it. A whole tone scale is simply a scale made up of whole steps or whole tones, same difference. You could call it a half tone or whole tone, a half step, whole tone, whatever. So on piano, there's really only a couple of them. You have white keys here with the two here, and then the three black keys. They're all whole steps. Whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step. Right? Or you use the two black keys here and white keys here. That's the other one. So either one, but they're all whole steps. Whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step. So there's the two of them. It sounds lovely, and it sounds a little different, but yeah, lots of composers use whole tone scales when writing music. And that's what this piece is. It's all whole steps here. So take the right hand. You're here. Because G sharp, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp. See, and cross over. It's just a whole steps. The second line, you can lift up here. It's whole steps. And then come down one. Remember, all whole steps. The left hand, well, it's got chords. So it's A flat. It's got a lot of accidentals. You can work out these chords. So. I'm using the same notes in the left hand as I'm using in the right hand as far as the whole tone scale goes. And I connect everything at first. When I first learn a piece of music, I play everything legato because it helps me find a fingering that works legato, and that's usually the safest, most reliable fingering to use. Doesn't matter what the articulation is. Once you're ready, you might want to add the articulation, and I'm going to use wrist staccato here and a very short staccato. So this is legato, this isn't. A tenuto on the half note. We'll just hang on to that. Don't cut it short. Some people will treat a tenuto like a stress mark. They'll give it a little extra oomph. Not everybody does. I mean, hundreds of years ago, a couple hundred years, a little more, tenuto was a type of accent. But its meaning is altered. Music has evolved. And now it's mostly just hang on to it, linger on the note as long as you can. You might even hesitate just a hair. Don't linger too much, or otherwise it just sounds like you can't keep a beat. But some people also treat the tenuto as a bit of a stress, not really a full accent, just a bit of a stress. I don't care for it that way. I treat it more like a linger on the note. Sometimes in interpreting the music, it makes sense to give it a little extra stress, but I don't need a tenuto line to do that. I would just do it. Anyway, when you're ready, then add the dynamics. That goes to the right hand. Whatever you think moderately loud is. Enough? Second line, loud, soft, loud, soft, back to the. The last line again is loud, soft, and you start the last two measures. You're starting soft, and you go all the way up to loud. And the sforzando is a major accent. It's the strongest accent there is. It is a musical bang, but be musical about it. Don't just bang. So you're going to go soft, medium loud, loud, bang. So each of those quarter notes can get louder, and then okay. The left hand, keep it in the background. Then for the speed, Well, they give you a range of metronome. It's about where I've been going, I think.